So as you can see from the description or the title, this video we're going to be unboxing the Saint Laurent Wyatt black leather boots. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video and unbox this bad boys. Good YouTube, it's your boy Benedict Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, back to you from the Mannequin studio, and I'm here with another video. And as you can tell, I look stressed as hell because today was actually the first day of my classes, and yeah, it was stressful as hell. I'm still excited regardless because the shoe that I've always wanted for a long time just came in, and I got them at a steal. So as you can see from the description or the title, this video we're going to be unboxing the Saint Laurent Wyatt black leather boots. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video and unbox this bad boys. So the box is open. I already opened it, and I'm just gonna take this out of the box. Scents, that's a plug. I just call it essence. I don't know. Comment down below what is actually the name of the thing, if it's essence or just scents. But so the ones I got are the wrinkly. They're called the black leather Wyatt boots, and these ones. I'm gonna switch to like a B-roll so you guys can see like a detail of it, but off the back, I love it. The leather just feels so like nice. It smells nice too. Off the back, the shoes already just feel like different. Like I have like other Chelsea boots that like, I'm a fan of like Chelsea boots. I have other Chelsea boots that like are a similar style. I like, it looks the same as those ones, yeah, but like I feel like wearing these, or like the feel of these are different. Like these are not like, I don't know, these are not just like any regular shoes. Like I don't think these are like I'm gonna definitely make a video later on to see the similarities between like other style boots that are not like Saint Laurent and like actual Saint Laurent Wyatt boots. But like I said, I've wanted these boots for the longest time, and me getting it's a big thing. Let's see what else is in the box. And yeah, obviously the other legs. I don't know, I like this really wrinkly look on it. I don't know, it's just me. I didn't want to get like the basic leather one or the suede. I personally don't like suede. And it has this it's like it has the harness on it here. It comes off like that. Yeah, it's pretty dope. I don't know, if you ask me. Pretty dope shoes. This is probably something I'm going to be having for a long time. That's another thing I wanted to say. I feel like with these shoes I can wear them for a long time because like this is actually like it's actual quality, and like I don't know, I don't think this is going to break in a little while. Like I'm probably going to wear this till I'm like what, 29, 30. Like hey, I might even wear it to my wedding, who knows. But also in the box it has this. It comes with this thing. It comes with this. It says Saint Laurent on it. It's like an envelope, and inside it has a card. So I think that's like an authentication card or something. I don't know. But and it has a book, like a manual. I mean, I've seen like, yeah, I think I've seen like books about like. I've seen like other YouTube videos about like this book. I don't want to read it because I'm not a fan of reading. But I think this is like a guide on how to take care of the leather, basically, which is really nice because like I said, these shoes are made like they're made with so much like precision that you would like they're shoes that you would want to keep for a long time. What else is in the box? A dust bag, pretty nice because when you travel, you could just put the 2 shoes in there and boom, you're straight to carry it.
yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you leave a like, comment what you thought about the shoes, and also subscribe if you're new to the channel, and turn on your post notification. That's for everyone. Turn on your post notification so you know when I post. It's about to go crazy, guys. Like, we have officially transitioned into fall fashion, so everything I'm going to bring to you now is going to be for this is my official fall winter, and also it's New York Fashion Week soon. I'm going to bring to you some styles in the next video, but that's by the way. Just catch me in the next video and have a good rest of your day. Splat!